Welcome to Elite Data. This video is about dump trucks from different countries. Hydrima from Denmark, Zoomlion from China, Doosan from South Korea, Komatsu from Japan, Kenworth from the United States, Atlas Copco from Sweden, Terex from the United States, Moxie from Norway, Prinoth Panther from Italy, JCB from the United Kingdom, Liugong from China, Volvo from Sweden, Perlini Dumpers from Italy, BEML from India, Sany from China, Bel AZ from Belarus, Bucyrus International from the United States, Hyundai from South Korea, Tunley from China, John Deere from the United States, Link Belt from the United States, Takuchi from Japan, Bell from the Netherlands, Foremost from Canada, Caterpillar from the United States, Shantui from China, Western Star from Canada, Mecalac from France, Hitachi from Japan, Case from the United States, XCMG from China, Liebherr from Germany. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Elite Data channel for more videos.